Hey there, crafters. I'm so excited you joined me today. My name is Wendy, and I have 5 card making tips using household items that I know are going to help your crafting be much better. Are you ready? Let's get started. Tip number 1. Using Swiffers for picking up glitter and embossing powder is awesome. These are dry Swiffer refills. You can get them and then cut them in half, and so you're actually going to get double the use out of one box. So a 16 box actually makes 32 pick 'em up wipe thingies. Tip number 2. Okay, this tip is awesome. Use a container to store your embossing powder in. And when you are embossing, you pour the embossing powder over your project, use a coffee filter to catch the embossing powder, and then you can just take the coffee filter and dump it right back into the container. And look at that, there's no embossing powder left. And just for an extra little tip, I want to show you how that Swiffer works on this block. Wipe it and it's gone. Tip 3. Using press and seal in your crafting is awesome. It's sticky on one side and not sticky on the other, and you can position die cuts wonderfully using this. Did you know that Jennifer McGuire's husband invented press and seal? Now you know, and I think that that's pretty awesome. Tip number 4. Okay, I love using a chamois of any kind to clean up my workstation and my hands and my blocks. And the best way I have found to store it is in a mason jar just like this one. You just take the lid and poke the holes, and voila, you've got a great storage container that will prevent your chamois from smelling and keep it moist. Our last and final tip, tip number 5. Okay, this tip is a good one. This is a interdesign container from the Container Store, or you can actually even order them on Amazon. FYI, links for everything I've shared here today is in the description below the video and posted over on my blog. So if you need the information for that, check it out there. I love storing my 6x6 paper in here and cutting little dividers out of scrap chipboard. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little different than my normal videos. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on the little circle with my face in it, and watch other videos from me by clicking on either one of the images you see here. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.